Hey guys, it's Bruce. Welcome to ConvoCourses podcast, and I've got here with me again, gracing us with his presence, Professor BlackOps, um, who's a cloud expert, a cybersecurity expert, and has a channel, Professor BlackOps, on YouTube. Are you on TikTok yet?
I am not, man. I'm almost 60, man. A lot of kids keep trying to get me on there. I might try.
I understand. I
I'm
understand. It's
barely doing
understandable.
YouTube, man. Come on. I'm trying though, man. I'm
So this
trying.
this guy right here is who I watch when I want to know what's going on from a practical level about how governance, risk management, and compliance is applied with the cloud in a real environment. So if you guys didn't know, like, go ahead and check him out. This guy's the truth. Professor Black Ops, I have some questions for you today
Yeah.
about cloud. So I recently passed AWS, CCP, and the AZ 900, which is really basic. Like, I'm not trying to brag. It's pretty basic.
No, it's good.
It's
You gotta
just
start somewhere. Go ahead.
it
Go
got to
ahead.
start somewhere.
You gotta
Exactly.
start
So I took
somewhere.
your advice and I started with AWS because I was super excited about it. I want to learn more stuff. And what it taught me was the foundations of cloud and then all the services that are in AZ, the fundamentals of AZ 9
Mm-hmm.
of Azure, which is Microsoft's implementation of
Mm-hmm.
cloud,
Yeah.
and Amazon's implementation of cloud, which
Mm-hmm.
is AWS. Basic stuff. So my question is, like, what do I go from here? Like, I'm a new beginner in cloud and I want to develop further. What are some of the best skills for me to like focus in on?
I would probably step up to the associate architect, and just you don't need to pass the test, but to study it. So what does that mean? Those cloud like VPC. How do you set up a VPC? How do you do subnetting? Shout out to the networking people. That's the foundation of a lot of this. Where your traffic goes, how do you keep track of it? How do you log it? Right. So that's kind of what I would do next. Because a lot of times, I mean, you've been in this game a lot. You're working with the CTOs and how they build their infrastructure, their architecture. Then, like you said, the part of assessment is you need to understand that so you can assess it, right? How do you look up EC2? How do you do serverless? How do you make sure the subnets? How do you make sure it doesn't touch the internet and stay in private with private links, right? So I think that's kind of the next step of the evolution of that.